So today I would like to share about how to make a haiku. In this video, I will elaborate three things, which are understanding haiku, getting inspired, and creating haiku. Right, this is probably the most fundamental question. What is haiku? Well, according to what I've learned in creative writing class, haiku is a mood or seasonal poetry with no metaphors or similes or anything like that. One of the most distinctive characteristic of haiku is its 575 syllables rules. But actually, haiku is so much more than that. Haiku is a way to see the physical world and something deeper. It leaves strong impression or feeling for the reader, and it focuses on one moment in time. Haiku also has kigo and kiru. For the example of traditional haiku, I'll show you one of the most famous haiku of all time by Matsuo Baso. Here's his work. Furuikeya kawazu tobikomu mizunoto. There are lots of haiku translations in English. One of them is by Robert Haas. The old pond, a frog jumps in, sound of water. Another translation by Henry Benn. An old silent pond. A frog jumps into the pond, splash, silence again. As you can see, haiku uses strong imagery. You can deeply feel the atmosphere and the moment of a frog jumps into the pond by your own perception. So what about modern haiku? Poet Ruslanski once said, "The essence of haiku is the way it describes natural phenomena in the fewest number of words. That artistic effect, to me, is much more important than the number of syllables used." Many modern Western poets don't really follow the 575 rules anymore. However, they still follow some qualities of haiku. For example, I'll show you a work from Richard Wright. It doesn't follow the 575 syllables rules anymore. However, it still focuses on one brief moment in time. It has colorful imagery and provides a sudden moment of illumination. Next, getting inspired. Since haiku is a seasonal poem which is related to seasons such as winter, fall, summer, or spring, well, immersing yourself into the nature would be a great idea to gain motivation and inspiration. You can explore your surrounding environment. For example, you can take a stroll in the park, or maybe enjoy the sunset at the beach, or even hike a mountain. Let's proceed. Creating haiku. Now that we're inspired, I'll show you my endeavor in creating haiku. Wish me luck! This is a photo that I've taken near my place. It was raining season, so it rains a lot. I'll try to make a traditional haiku now. Alright, so let me write. In a bed of green, gorgeous, vivid, red flower, showering in rain. Okay, so let's now count the syllables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 5. Yay! It's done! So let's conclude. The end of my video. I hope you gained some insight, and please share your knowledge about haiku by commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!